A king was traveling on a river in a boat. Some noble people and some slaves were also with him. Among them was a slave who had never been in a boat before. He was trembling and crying for fear of drowning. The king felt very bad and said, "Why are you crying? Please shut up." The slave was in a bad condition due to his fear. He did not pay any attention to the order and kept crying. A wise man was also on board the boat. He saw the condition of this slave and said to the king, "Sir, if you allow, I will remove the fear of this slave right away." The king gave permission. The wise man ordered the other slaves to pick up the slave and throw him into the river. The slaves picked up this crying slave and threw him into the river. When he began to sink, the wise man asked the slaves to take him out of the river and put him in a boat. So the slaves pulled him back into the boat. Now the slaves who was crying a little while ago in tears for fear of drowning, he sat on one side completely silent and calm. The king was surprised and asked what good it was that you threw a frightened person into the river. And what is more surprising is that now he sits quietly and peacefully. The wise man replied, "Sir, he had never dived into the river. After taking the pain of dying, he understood the value of rest. He who never seen pain doesn't know value of rest." The king said, "Thank you." In this story, the psychological state of a man is described, that the person who has never seen pain does not know the value of rest.